Hello, this is Lance from Blue Collar Bobbers, and thank you very much for purchasing our Road King light kits. These things are so much fun, and you'll just get a real kick out of the conversion. And once you're finished, the riding is just so cool on these things. They're so big and so smooth, and the springs on the seat and everything just make it a dream ride. Okay, so there's a couple of little issues I want to cover ahead of time. The first one is the rear fender. Okay, on the stock rear fender, there's one stinker of a little bolt right here, right in the front of the stock fender. That one's kind of a stinker. You'll have to take that out. You'll have to either jack up the bike a little bit and back the wheel out to get in with the wrench, or like I say in the videos, you may want to, if you do have new tires put on your bike, have that guy take that bolt out for you while he's got it up and while the wheel's off. Then the other issue is the front fender. It has little metal clips that fold around it, so you can only get that off with jacking up the bike and lowering that front uh, wheel away. There again, if you have new tires put on, have him take that front fender off for you. Once you get those little clips folded away, it just comes right off. Okay, and then the rest of the conversion is pretty much straightforward. Gosh, the only thing difficult on these bikes, believe it or not, is the disassembly. Harley doesn't use quite as good corrosion resistant screws on these bikes, so I had a little bit of a stinker on some of them. The exhaust was a little hard to pull off one of these bikes. The other one came right off, but make sure you have a good can of penetrating oil and some real good Torx wrenches. That'll make the job a lot easier. So anyway, let's get started. Oh, one other thing I wanted to tell you. Now make sure when we're working on this bike that it doesn't forward and get off the kickstand. So it wouldn't hurt to either block the wheels a little bit, make sure it's in gear, and then, like I say, you got to be real careful because when you're wrenching on this and it moves forward, that could come off that kickstand. So really important to watch that. Let's get started.